My passion for innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible has been with me since I was young. I was born and raised in South Africa, and I developed.
Hey, do you want to create an animation video? You don't know anything? Don't worry. I will share a secret way how to create those type of animation video using absolutely free. So if you live in Africa, Asia, Europe and America, there is no matter how you live in because this company work worldwide. At first, I'm going to d.studio, d.com, then Google, then type d-id.com. And then you need to log in here. It's easy way. Yeah, put your Gmail and confirm, then log in. Then when you log in, you got a 20 credit for free. So I have 19 credit left. So if I create a animation video, what I need to start animation? I need a character. So you can use any character, any photo, and your own photo and any photo. This does not matter. So I'm using a AI photo. I can collect this photo. Others tool, example of Lexica AI. You can collect any photo anywhere. This doesn't matter. So, oh my god, I chose this photo. This is a really nice. Actually, Elon Musk AI tool make this photo. So I chose this photo. Download. Then I'm going to again d.com. Then you need to click here, create video. Then you need to click here for it and choose the photo. And okay. Now you have two options. Number one, speed. You can write your skip here. It's preview limit etc. So I choose this one. Then you need to choose a language. So English is my favorite language. So you need to choose a voice over. This is a female voice Genie. So I need a male voice over. So I again go to Davis. I hope this is a male voice. So you need to choose a style. So I don't choose it's like friendly. So then go to generate video. Now click here. Just one click generate. Now wait few seconds for creating those video. Now click here. Then download. Okay, your video ready for view. So I'm playing this video now. I hope you can watch. So this one.
My passion for innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible has been with me since I was young. I was born and raised in South Africa,
Oh
and I
my god,
developed.
it's really nice. So if you want to more video about this topic, please subscribe the channel and turn on notification bell.